रेंज कम्स टू योर माइंड, कुछ आता है माइंड में? यार गरम गरम चाय और गरम गरम
चाय पकौड़े वो सब आराम करना।
You like all this?
थोड़ा सा लेजी होके आराम से बैठे रहना, टीवी देखना।
But you're shooting, you're working
लेकिन
very
मैं
hard.
शूटिंग करने आ गया।
When it comes to Hyderabad, एक्साइटमेंट होती है, अरे यार लेट्स गो एंड डू समथिंग इन तेलुगु, कुछ धमाका होने वाला है।
अभी फिलहाल पवन कल्याण की फिल्म करने के लिए यहाँ पे आया हूँ।
So how was your experience working in Telugu cinema and your
It's been
first
a-
day on the sets?
Yeah, it's been a good experience and people here are very welcoming. They are very grounded, very simple. So I've never find any kind of difficulties working here actually.
Do you remember your first time when you heard a call or you got a call? One Telugu movie is there, you have to come and do it. You remember that?
Yeah, I mean after Rakta Charitra became hit and people loved my character Bukkariti.
Yes.
Then getting this call for Gabbar Singh, yeah, it was a very exciting moment.
It was always your sir in your mind you want to be an actor or
Not
something
always.
else, something serious profession you wanted
Yeah,
to.
I mean I was aiming to become an IAS officer, and then destiny had some other plans for me.
How you got your first offer in Bollywood?
I screen tested for this film called Aks
Okay.
with
yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan.
And you're a good singer also, is it right?
Not
I know
really.
you can sing, no. So if this weather and balcony sitting is there, I mean, what one line comes to your mind for your fans?
आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम।
Wow, very nice. One word for these actors, just
Okay.
one word. Prabhas.
प्रभास डायनेमिक,
Oh, Ramcharan.
रामचरण शार्प,
Junior NTR.
परफॉर्मर,
Pavan Kalyan.
स्टार,
Ram Gopal Verma.
सुपरस्टार।
So today I have a special guest for you. Yes, I always bring something special, you know, for my show. So थोड़े वो हैं चटपटे, थोड़े हैं गुस्से वाले, mix of everything. We have seen him doing wonderful performance in Telugu cinema, in Bollywood movies, in so many movies. He is very special. Let me introduce you and let's find out where is he and who is he. I'm opening the door. Come. He is, where is he? So he is the one today, my guest, special guest, Abhimanyu Singh
Hi,
sir.
hi.
So it was wonderful meeting you. You know,
Thank
we
you
were
so much.
waiting for a long time.
Thank you,
आप
thank you.
आते हो और भाग जाते हो जल्दी
क्या
जल्दी you know shoot करके.
क्या करें?
So आज हमने बहुत अच्छे टाइम पे पकड़ा है. Today is monsoons. Wonderful rains are here in Hyderabad.
yeah.
So how was your day? First tell me in
Very
Hyderabad.
good, yeah. Hyderabad, the moment I got off the plane, it was raining, just like Mumbai.
Okay.
So there was no difference, and I am loving this weather.
You love this weather.
Yeah.
So when rains comes to your mind, कुछ आता है mind में? यार गरम गरम चाय और गरम गरम.
चाय पकौड़े वो सब आराम करना।
You like all this?
थोड़ा सा लेजी होके आराम से बैठे रहना, टीवी देखना।
But you're shooting. You're
लेकिन
working
मैं
very
शूटिंग
hard.
करने आ गया।
So if we talk about when it comes to Hyderabad, एक्साइटमेंट होती है, अरे यार लेट्स गो एंड डू समथिंग इन तेलुगु, कुछ धमाका होने वाला है।
करेक्ट, ऐसा लगता है हमेशा, बिकॉज एक के बाद एक यहाँ पे एक्सक्यूज मी बहुत अच्छी फिल्म्स मैं कर रहा हूँ, और अभी फिलहाल पवन कल्याण की फिल्म करने के लिए यहाँ पे आया हूँ।
ओह, वो तो गब्बर सिंह, यू वर ऑलवेज डैशिंग ऑन दैट रोल, वी लव्ड यू फॉर दिस। तो चलिए आइए थोड़ी आपकी बालकनी देखें, बहुत अच्छा मौसम है, सुहाना मौसम। वाओ, इट्स वंडरफुल रेनिंग।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
So I think देखिए हम पूरा हैदराबाद आपके साथ देख सकते हैं। This is the first interview where we'll be doing interview with the actor with Hyderabad view. You can feel the view of Hyderabad.
Yeah, you can.
What do you like the most when you just stand in the balcony and
I love the weather, the temperature, and the rains
structure.
all around. Yeah. I don't like these buildings though, but
Okay.
I can't help it. Had it been a lot of greenery here
Okay.
and jungle all around, I would have loved it more.
Okay.
But
You
still,
want more of nature,
yeah,
jungle. We
correct,
have
correct.
little bit of
A
that.
little bit is there, yeah, of course.
Okay. So let's have a feel of, sitting and. So बहुत अच्छा लगा सर, आपने मेरा बहुत ही अच्छा वेलकम किया.
Thank
Very
you,
much
thank you.
impressed.
My pleasure.
And you were just talking about your upcoming project. So how much you are excited? Already you worked with Pawan Kalyan, Gabbar Singh.
Yeah, Gabbar Singh, this is a very different role altogether. Would not like to say anything much about it now, but it will be completely different from what I have done in Gabbar Singh. And of course, Pawan Kalyan sir is doing this movie. And when director Sujit came with this offer, I couldn't say no. I said, okay, there is another opportunity to work with him again. So we have finished doing one schedule in Bombay, and the second one is also over now. This is the third one,
Okay.
and I am just here for a couple of days right now. And after that, let's see.
Back to Pavilion. So sir, I just wanted to know, do you remember your first time when you heard a call or you got a call?
Yeah.
One Telugu movie is there. You have to come and do it. You
Yeah.
remember that? I know it's been so many years.
Yeah, I mean, after Rakta Charitra became hit, and people loved my character Bukka Reddy,
Yes.
then getting this call for Gabbar Singh, yeah, it was a very exciting moment.
No, but when you got the call, like something was going in your mind.
Yeah, I was
The
expecting that.
language, especially,
Yeah, but I was damn confident about the fact that, okay, I'll take the prompting and deliver my lines, at least.
So how was your experience working in Telugu cinema and
It's
your
been
first
a-
day on the
it's-
sets?
Yeah, it's been a good experience, and people here are very welcoming. They are very grounded, very simple. So I've never find any kind of difficulties working here, actually.
So it was always your sir in your mind, you want to be an actor? Or
Not
something
always.
else, something serious profession you want to
Yeah,
do?
I mean, I was aiming to become an IAS officer, and then destiny had some other plans for me, and I landed up in Bollywood, then Tollywood.
How you got your first offer in Bollywood? Or
Bollywood,
how you get into this industry?
I screen tested for this film called Aks
Okay.
with
yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan, and I went back to Patna. And when I was in Patna, Rakesh Mehra called me and he said, you have been selected to play the part.
Okay.
Yeah, so come, Bombay is waiting for you.
So sir, you wanted to be a hero. I heard.
I mean,
at the end of
I
the billion. How you
wanted-
take these negative roles?
See, I wanted to become an actor. Now the time has come when there is no villain, no hero.
Yes.
Heroes are doing villains' role, villains are doing heroes' role. So I just keep doing my work and I let it go, Off late, I have been starting to do a lot of positive leads as well. Now you'll see me in a lot of positive leads. Of course, this industry kind of typecasts you the moment you excel in some role.
Yes.
As I did in Bukka Reddy, they said, okay, he is a very ferocious villain. So let's keep giving him villain's role.
Okay.
And that's how I did a lot of villains role. So this industry is like that. But then you have to break your own format. You have to break people's myth by playing other characters, as I did in Khaki.
Yes.
I played the positive lead, and people loved me for that.
So when it comes this Ram Gopal Verma sir, you both have good jodi with each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah, yeah.
When you met him, I mean, as a person, how you explored him, and while
Ram
doing
Gopal
movies
Verma,
with him.
yeah, wonderful. I have had wonderful times with Ram Gopal Verma doing Rakta Charitra and other projects as well. We have had a wonderful times together.
So Bukka Reddy, what research and Reiki personally you did? It was very tough for you.
Yeah, I mean, it was tough for me, but thankfully Ram Gopal Verma provided me with all the details
Okay.
of Obul Reddy. Time and again, he used to call me to his office and used to narrate me the character and the incidents which had really happened. So that's it. And I kept listening to him, and that was it.
But you have worked with all the actors. I mean, if you name them anyone, your moment you want to share with your friends hota hai, sometimes we share our incidents or somebody welcomed you or you had something naughty things when you met with these actors. Is any incidents there, funny incident that you can share with your fans?
Yeah, I mean, there have been so many funny incidences, but
One, I mean, you worked with Pawan Kalyan garu, All actors, Ram Charan, Allu Arjun, I think I named them. They are almost everybody.
Not really funny moments with them, but always like Pawan Kalyan and all these people have been senior to me. So there is a kind of decorum which has to be maintained on the set.
Okay.
So there is hardly, jokes happening or light talks are not going because everybody is involved in acting and they are trying to give their best. Even director is tense. So on the whole, this we are like quite focused while performing a scene.
Have you just seeing your own movies? Have you criticized yourself on any particular role? नहीं इसमें और अच्छा करता
All the
था।
time I criticize myself when I.
You never like appreciate. Oh, that was my best role.
Yeah, no, I mean best is always yet to come.
Yes.
So I do my job and then I see I see that okay, these are the moments where I could have done better. So that happens. I'm never satisfied with my work.
So there was no satisfaction till now.
No, not now.
So if we ask three best roles, you love your role.
Okay, three best roles I would say. Of course, Bukka Reddy and Siddhappa Naidu of Gabbar Singh and Dheeran's Uma.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sir, when Telugu fans, sometimes incidents happen, you go out for a walk or normally they go and they recognize you with what name they recognize you?
No,
and
now
they come to you.
earlier they used to call me Bukka Reddy.
Okay.
Then they started calling me Siddhappa Naidu.
Okay.
Then Uma.
So many
Now-
names the
yeah,
fans
so many
given
names.
you.
Yeah. I feel proud and but now they know my name.
Okay.
So they call me Abhi sir, Abhi sir.
Abhi sir.
Yeah.
That is also a cute name given by your fans.
Yeah, correct.
So how you react to that? I mean, when they come
I
for
like it.
selfies.
Yeah. I never disappoint them. Yeah.
So if we talk about as a Abhimanyu Singh, who's he?
Who is he? He's
How hard
sitting in front of you and a very simple, grounded person, a common man, I would say. That's it.
I mean, we always seen a villain, dar rehta hai. But in real life, they are good fathers, they are
Yeah.
good lovers,
Yeah.
they are good, we can say, son.
Yeah.
So how you rate yourself, being a father or a lover or a husband?
Yeah, my wife.
You have very beautiful wife, I must say.
Thank you so much. She's beautiful, and I think she'll be able to give a better answer to this. But as they say, I'm quite decent, and
I
I'm
mean,
a
you
decent
propose
father,
how
and,
it's a love or arranged marriage you
It's
have?
it's a love marriage.
It must be.
actually.
So it was. How was your love story started? You remember?
Love story started happening when we were shooting for a TV show. She was acting for a few years,
Okay.
and then she came across me, and in 1 year's time we got married, and her career was over.
So everything like so
Yeah, fast.
suddenly, fast, yeah.
It was destined. Yeah, you can say
So
that.
you proposed, she proposed.
Yeah, I proposed to her. Yeah.
So we can say you're a good lover.
Yeah, you can say that.
And as a father,
As a
you're
father,
strict
yeah.
father or?
No, I'm not a strict father at all. On the contrary, I keep smiling my children. And,
Okay.
In fact, my wife is the one who takes control of them, and she keeps an eye on them, and she will stop them from doing thousands of things. But I don't stop them from doing anything.
Okay.
I pamper them too much.
Okay. So good father.
Yeah,
So real
that's
life,
okay, yeah.
a good human being,
Yeah,
but on
yeah.
screen. So have your kids and your mother or your wife has told you, oh, that was a wonderful role you did.
Yeah, so many times, all the time when they see my performance, they appreciate me.
Particularly, they have not. Wow, it was nice.
Yeah,
something.
like for Gulal, for Rakta Charitra, for Suryavanshi, for Dhiran. Yeah, whenever there is good performance, they say.
And being what hobbies you have, sir? If you're not acting, what you would like to do?
I like to read, I like to watch movies, world cinema, talk to my friends, being with nature. Yeah.
And how you see, sir, today, OTT platforms have come and Telugu cinema has actually overcoming,
Yeah.
and all movies now in Hindi, English, Telugu, must.
yeah.
How you see this scenario?
See, this scenario is looking like a new scenario altogether. But yeah, whatever is happening for good. At the end of the day, a lot of people are getting work because a lot of good work is happening
Yeah.
on web platforms. there's a lot of good work for actors, for technicians, and for talented people. There's an opportunity to showcase their talent, and that's what is happening on web platforms. As far as movie is concerned, now, as you said, Telugu movies are doing great, and I'm very proud of it. Be it Telugu, Tamil, it's all Indian
It's all
cinema.
Indian cinema.
Yeah. So worldwide, Telugu cinema is making its mark. It's just incredible. I would say.
Recently, your 3 favorite movies you watched. You love the work. You want to compliment them.
Okay, I loved RRR for sure,
Oh, that's
and Kashmir Files,
Ah.
and then Kerala Stories also I loved.
So you like the all different stuff.
Yeah, yeah. I do.
And your top 3 movies.
My top 3 movies. Okay, Do Aankhein Baaraa Haath.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
V. Shantaram. And Sholay, of course, and Pyasa Gurudutt.
Who was your favorite villain?
My favorite
actor?
villain, Pran Saab. was
Pran
my-
Saab. I heard somewhere and some videos where you act like him. You
I'm
try
not.
doing acting like him. His dialogues, he used to practice.
No,
Is it right?
not really, because I was just a kid when Pran Saab was at his peak. So when I grew up, it was like he was already left acting. So as a kid, I remembered watching him in Amitabh Bachchan's movie, playing Amitabh Bachchan's father sometimes, sometimes playing the villain. But he had left a mark in my mind. So that's why I remember him.
Remember him.
Yeah.
So any role, sir, that you missed because of some other project, whether it's in Telugu or Bollywood, and after that you felt, अरे यार,
No, I don't.
सबकी लाइफ में एक आता है ना?
नहीं, I don't regret anything because I just do my job and I keep moving. That's it. That's
And you're
my
a good
funda.
singer also, is it right? I
Not
know you
really.
can sing. No.
Not really. I just sometimes I mean, when we are friends sitting
Okay.
together,
Uh-huh.
maybe a line or two, everybody is singing. Then I'm not a singer at all.
No, you sing. I mean, today see the weather. I mean, the welcoming you. So if this weather and balcony sitting is there, I mean, what one line comes to your mind for your fans?
आज मौसम
Wow.
बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम.
Wow, very nice.
Thank
So
you,
sir,
thank
एक
you.
तेलुगु का डायलॉग कुछ याद है? और मतलब कुछ
Dialogue?
तेलुगु में बात करते हैं या
अभी तो नहीं याद है.
तो फैंस बोलते होंगे, अरे अभिमन्यु सर वो आपका डायलॉग तो वाओ, इट वाज ऑसम.
उसी वक्त डायलॉग मैं करता हूँ और भूल ही जाता हूँ मैं फिर.
भूल जाते हैं. कुछ भी एक वर्ड या कुछ तेलुगु का जो
नहीं,
आप हमेशा
ऐसा तो-
बोलते हैं अपनी टीम के साथ. एनी
ऐसा धन्यवाद आलू आई ऑलवेज से
Okay.
फॉर एवरीथिंग.
We'll just end up by knowing one word for these actors. Just
Okay.
one word. Prabhas.
प्रभास डायनेमिक,
Oh, Ramcharan.
रामचरण शार्प,
Junior NTR.
परफॉर्मर,
Pavan Kalyan.
स्टार,
Ram Gopal Verma.
सुपरस्टार.
So you made Ram Gopal Verma superstar. उनकी कोई एक मेमोरी, I mean उनका
बहुत
कुछ एक
सारी
पल,
memories है.
एक हमारे साथ जाते जाते कुछ we want.
बहुत अच्छी मेमोरीज हैं विद हिम व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग ऑन रक्त चरित्र. जिस तरह से वो मुझे स्टोरीज बताते थे, वो मुझे उसी दुनिया में रखते थे. बोलते थे तुम वही हो और यू डोंट नीड टू एक्ट, यू जस्ट बी योरसेल्फ. तो काफी सारी यादें हैं.
You would like to work him with again? Is like
Yeah, why not?
is anything approached or you would love to?
No, I have not been in touch with him for a while now.
I think you
I
should
think-
meet him when you were in
Yeah,
Hyderabad.
yeah,
You
I
should
will,
get some
I will.
time.
Sure, I will.
So we just want to end up by asking you one message for yourself and for your fans.
Okay, enjoy. Rainy season is on, but stay focused.
And message for yourself.
Message for myself: work hard and work harder.
Oh, great. Thank you so
Thank
much
you,
talking to us, sir. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
thank you.
Best of luck for your upcoming
Thank you,
movies.
thank you so
More
much.
interviews with us.
Yeah. I'm glad.
So that was a wonderful chit chat with Abhimanyu Singh. Keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.